Hi everyone, have you ever wondered how to make the most of your sales in WooCommerce stores? Let's take a look at a few simple ways that you can offer more to your customers without even pushing for it. All right, let's just imagine a customer picking out a product such as cap or a beanie and adding it to their cart. Now, instead of just ringing them up, you might suggest additional products that they can add to their order, such as this particular cap, which can be added to the cart upon customer's choice, especially at their cart or checkout during the shopping experience. Or let's say a customer picks out a new long sleeve tee, and then instead of having to stop them there, you could also say or suggest a few more items that would complete their purchase and they are getting more value with every item. Yes, it is all about noticing the little ways to add value, offering items that complement what your customers are already excited about. And well, a suggestion here and there makes the shopping experience better and boosts sales on your store. So I'm going to show you how you can set all these up with this amazing plugin called Upsell WP, which helps you set unique upselling opportunities in every page of the customer's journey, starting from the shop page where customers can find pop-ups where they can select complementary items that would add value to their order. Also in their cart page, in their product pages, and in the checkout and so on. Well, with this upsell plugin, you can turn every order into an opportunity to double your sales with one-click upsells and cross-sells. And let me show you how to get started with this plugin. Now, this plugin comes with both free and pro versions. With the free version, you'll be able to create campaigns such as checkout upsells, cart upsells, and frequently bought together items. And the rest of the campaigns can be created using the pro version, but every upselling opportunity is actually worth it. So let me just begin by showing you how to create this checkout upsells first. So let's just click on this create campaign. This you will find when you go to the campaigns tab, and you will see something like this where the activated campaigns are shown. Here you can see the conversion rates and the revenue generated using the campaign that you've created, and the date, the priority, and status of the campaign that you've created. You can in fact edit this campaign if you need to do further changes, and find the analytics here as well. So these are some things that you should know when you come to this campaigns tab. Now to create a new campaign, you'll have to click on this create new campaign button and choose the campaign type. As of free version, you have checkout upsells, cart upsells, and frequently bought together. So let me just show you how to create this checkout upsells. So let's click on this create campaign button and give this campaign a title. Well, after you enter a title for the campaign, you can choose the display location and checkout page. Here you have multiple options that you can choose from. And then comes the display method. This is especially when you have a lot of different offers running at the same time. You can choose to display them in a random fashion. And then here comes the add offer button. If you click on this, you'll be able to actually present a product to your customers as an upsell product. So let me just go for a cap product here. And then comes the quantity. You can set it to a fixed quantity or let customers choose for themselves. And then we have discount type. We have these discount types, and let me go for a percentage discount of 10. And then usage limits. If you want to restrict it based on customers' usage, whether it's individual or overall, then you can use these two options. Here you can take a preview of how the upsell is going to be presented to the customer with both desktop and mobile views. And then all you have to do is save the offer that you've created. You can right now only have one offer, but with the pro version, you'll be able to add more. And then comes condition. If you want to make it extra conditional, so you can just add conditions to these upsells. So from the drop down, you can see you can show these upsells only when specific products or categories of items are in the cart, or certain other conditions if you want to set them. And then scheduling your upsells. You can in fact go with that by clicking on this button and choosing a date of your choice. And then you can simply save and close this campaign, and you'll be able to see that the campaign is saved successfully. This is the campaign that we've just created. So let's see how it works. Well, right now we are on the cart. Now proceeding to the checkout, you'll be able to notice that the upsell offer that we have created is displayed here. Now customers can add this to the order by just clicking on this CTA button, and then you'll be able to see that the offer product is added to their order. Now let's go back to the campaigns tab and create a different upsell, which is cart upsell. So I've already created one, so let me just show you. This is the cart upsell button. So let's try to edit it. As usual, you can just enter a campaign name for this and then go with the display location at the cart page and the display method as usual and add an offer product here. I've right now added cap again to be the offer product with a discount of 20%. And upon saving and closing this campaign, our campaign is ready. Now, if customers go to the cart page, they'll be able to see that an upsell offer is presented to them, and they can simply choose to add this to their cart with a 20% off. Now, if customers come to the cart page, they'll be able to see that the upsell product is displayed to them. Now, customers can choose to add it to their cart with a 20% off. Here we go. Similarly, the frequently bought together campaign, which is one of the ideal templates that everyone in the WooCommerce world uses it. So let's just see how to create that. Let's just go click on create new campaign and choose a frequently bought together campaign and then enter a campaign name. After we enter a campaign name comes the filter. Here in the filter, you can choose which product should display this frequently bought together items. Right now it is set to all products by default, but in case you want to set it for specific products, you can use this filter. By clicking on this filter, you'll be able to make your decisions to specific products, categories, or tags and SKUs if you have the Pro version. I'm not opting for those options. Right now we'll go for all products. And then comes the product suggestion method for the campaigns, which is usually related products and then cross-sell products, upsell products. Or if you want to go for specific products, you can also do the same. Custom products as well. And then discount should apply to. You can make a decision whether or not to give discounts for these frequently bought together items with no products or only for the upsell products or for both main and the upsell product. Right now I'm just opting for only upsell products. Percentage discount of 10. And then here's the template. You can just change the template according to your requirements. And to further customize the look and feel of your upsells, you can go with edit content and style. And the display location on product page. You can again choose where exactly this particular frequently bought together item should display. Now let's save and close the campaign, and our campaign is created successfully. Moving on to the shop page. Let's just see a suggestion for the belt. So if we go to the belt, you'll be able to see the frequently bought together items here, which are just complementary products to add value to the original order. And the discount is applied on the upsell items. Now customers can choose to add some of them or add all of them to their cart. So let me just click on add all 3 to the cart. Now you'll be able to see that 3 of these items are added together with the discount. Thanks for watching. Start using these simple ideas today and watch your store thrive using our Upsell WP plugin. One quick tip before we conclude the video. If you're wondering how to install this free version of the Upsell WP plugin, then you can simply go to the WordPress plugin repository and find the Upsell WP plugin by its name and install and activate it, as you can see here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.